If you need a crossover with 3 rows of seating and a solid all-wheel drive system, the Volkswagen Atlas delivers. But is it right for you? We have a complete look right now. To learn about other options and features, visit AutoNationDrive.com. Click New Cars, Research, Volkswagen, and then select Atlas. We make it easy to find what you want, fast. The 2021 Volkswagen Atlas has updated styling and a new set of standard features to make it even more appealing. The model we're looking at in this video is the upper trim SEL Premium with a V6 and 4Motion all-wheel drive. Price as you see it, $50,015, including destination. There are 2 engine options on the Atlas. A 2-liter turbo is standard in 2-wheel drive models. Upgrade to all-wheel drive and you can opt for this V6. It's rated at 276 horsepower. The only transmission is an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic. Economy is 22 miles to the gallon on the highway and 16 in the city, according to the EPA. Need to tow? A hitch is included, and it can handle up to 5,000 pounds. One of the best features of the Atlas is the sheer amount of cargo it can carry. With all the seats down, it boasts up to 96.8 cubic feet, one of the best in the class. With the seats up, the second row carries the spacious theme by providing lots of room to stretch out. Passengers even get their own climate controls and seat warmers. As an added bonus, premium trims also get retractable sunscreens. Up front, the 10-way power-adjustable driver's seat is both heated and ventilated, providing the best seat in the house. Lower trims get standard gauges, but this SEL Premium is decked out with a full digital display. It's driver configurable and packed with useful data. Over in the center console, SE and Up trims now get a standard 8-inch touchscreen. This handles navigation, entertainment, and even has a nice set of off-road gauges. The Atlas does have wireless charging for mobile devices, but you will need to plug them in via USB for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto support. The lineup of advanced safety tech is impressive. Collision mitigation with pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control with lane detection, rear cross-traffic alerts, parking assist, and blind spot warnings are all on board. You also get a backup camera with an available satellite view. The Atlas contains a nice assortment of drive modes which affects powertrain and steering feel. These include Eco, Normal, Snow, and Off-Road. Not sure which mode to pick? Just keep it in Normal and you'll be fine. On the road, the Atlas delivers a confident and comfortable experience. Power from the V6 is more than enough to get it up to speed when performing passing maneuvers, and suspension is compliant over a variety of surfaces without being too firm when the pavement ends. Overall, it's just a really nice package. The Volkswagen Atlas has been a hit with buyers looking for a feature-rich 3-row crossover with lots of extra space. This new 2021 model just makes it even more appealing. Visit AutoNationDrive.com to see options from Volkswagen. We have more than 70,000 new and used vehicles available from coast to coast. Find the perfect vehicle, pick your options, and arrange for a test drive at your local AutoNation Volkswagen dealer.